Hey everyone, this is Violet from InboxArmy, and today we're diving into Klaviyo's dashboard and key features. When you first log into Klaviyo, you land on the homepage. This is where you'll get a quick snapshot of your business performance. First up, we have Business Performance Summary. Here, you'll see top metrics like total conversions, attributed conversions, the total conversion rate from campaigns, flows, email, and SMS. Next, we have top performing flows. This section shows which automated sequences are bringing in the most engagement and revenue. And over here, we have recent campaigns. This is where you can quickly review the most recent emails and SMS campaigns you've sent along with your engagement rates. Moving on to campaigns. This is where you can create and manage email and SMS campaigns. You can check their status, analyze performance, and track engagement. Next, let's talk about flows. This is where you automate your email marketing. You can set up welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, and post-purchase follow-ups to keep your customers engaged. Next up, we have reviews. Klaviyo also lets you collect and showcase customer reviews. These help build trust with new shoppers and increase conversion rates. Next up, we have sign-up forms. You can create pop-up and embedded forms to collect emails and phone numbers from your visitors. Klaviyo's growth strategy section has tools to help you expand your audiences and boost engagement through lead magnets, referral programs, and exclusive offers. Under audience, we have three key tools. Growth tools. These help you attract and retain subscribers. Lists and segments. Lists are static, while segment updates dynamically based on customer behavior. Profiles. Here you can dive deep into customer data, purchase history, and engagement levels. Next up, we have content. Here we have templates. Klaviyo has pre-built email templates. Here you have your saved templates and universal content. Products. Product catalog integration helps you personalize recommendation to your audience. Image and brand. This is a place to store and manage your brand's visuals. Next up, we have analytics. And when you click the drop down, you'll see dashboards. Here, you'll get an overall overview of your performance metrics, experiments. These help you run A/B tests to optimize campaigns. We have metrics that track custom KPIs. Benchmarks help you compare your performance against industry standards. Deliverability helps you monitor how well your emails are reaching inboxes. And then we have custom reports that help you create detailed reports tailored to your needs. Next up, we have conversations. Conversations help you engage with customers in real time. Under this, you have Inbox. Inbox is a central hub for managing customer messages. We have automations where you can set up chat automations for quick responses. That's a wrap on our Klaviyo's dashboard walkthrough. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching.